Yesterday, knowledge. Perfect. So let's start how the acupuncture organ clock working in our body. So we'll be talking about the acupuncture. The good morning start at 3 a.m. in the morning. 3 a.m. And we know this is the time, as per the acupuncture, we should start our day, 3 a.m. in the morning. Then whole the 24 hours we can divide in 3 parts. So let's see now.
Left, I think, some network issue.
It was exited, I guess. Yeah.
So somebody is asking to do it in Hindi, right? Who is that, Vidya?
So Trupti Pathak.
Sir, मैं Trupti.
Trupti is not possible because foreign other country people are also there. So not possible.
सर लेकिन पहले बताना चाहिए था ना कि
गलती हो गया, माफ करिए. We will refund your money. माफ करिए, हमें पता नहीं आप ज्वाइन कर रहे बोल के. ठीक है ना मैडम?
ओके सर.
माफ करिए, हमें गलती हो गया, भूल गया.
ओके सर.
Sorry, I don't know how it is disconnected.
No sir, no problem. अच्छा माफ करिए, हमको पता नहीं आप ज्वाइन कर रहे बोल के.
So can you give me permission to share, because I want to share my.
ओके सर.
Yeah.
Sir, 1 second, Hemant sir. I'm sorry, Hemant sir. All right.
So as per the acupuncture, we can divide 24 hours in 3 parts. So this is the morning time, and we can tell the morning time of 8 hours. This is the noon plus afternoon time. We can divide this pattern again in the 8 hours, and this is the night time. Again we can allot 8 hours. So in this way, the 24 hours can be divided in 8 plus 8 plus 8 hours. And our morning start by 3 a.m. So the morning cycle can be considered between 3 to 11 a.m. So this is the morning cycle. The afternoon cycle can be considered 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Again, these are the 8 hours. This is the afternoon cycle. And the night cycle we can divide between 7 p.m. till 3 a.m. in the night. So this is the night cycle. So yesterday we have talked about, this is the solar plexus. If from the solar plexus, we are making the 3 chakras in the upper directions. And from the solar plexus, we are making 3 chakras in the lower directions. So the first chakra is the Bud, second chakra is the fire, and third chakra is the fire plus. If we go down from the solar, so the first chakra will be earth, second chakra will be metal, and the lowermost chakra will be water. So now we have to make 3 groups. The group number 1, this is the inner circle, this is the middle circle, and this is the outer circle. So first, let's talk about the inner circle. So now we are talking about the inner circle. So the inner circle is made by Bud and earth. Or we can tell the Bud and earth is the circle 1. This is the circle number 1 or group number 1. The group number 2 is made by fire and metal. So we can tell it the group number 2. And the group number 3 are made by fire plus and the water. So we can tell it group number 3. So let's make the pair. So the group number 1 means the group of Bud plus earth element. The group number 2 is the group of fire plus metal element. And the group number 3 is fire plus and water element. And if we elaborate, if we want to explain in the detail, so we can tell the meaning of Bud means lung and spleen, and the meaning of the meaning of Bud, what we have discussed yesterday. What we have discussed yesterday in the Bud. The lungs and large intestine are coming, if you remember. Because life is tall with the Bud. So in the Bud, there is a large intestine and lungs. In the fire, there is a heart and a small intestine. In the fire plus will be the brain and a spinal cord. Now, if we go down, earth means digestion. In the earth, we are having a spleen and a stomach. In the metal, we are having kidney and urinary bladder. And in the water, the lowermost part, there is the liver and gallbladder. So this was the discussion yesterday. Now, I am telling the cycle number 1 means the combination of Bud and earth means the combination of lungs, large intestine, spleen and stomach. So I can tell you lung, large intestine, stomach and spleen. This is the combination of Bud and earth. So Bud and earth together are handling our morning cycle. So the meaning of Bud and earth, this is the first cycle and which is called morning cycle. So the morning cycle 3 a.m. to 11 a.m. are under control by this wood and earth. When we are taking the birth, so first step of the life, we cry. We are crying. Why we are crying? If after taking the birth, if we won't cry, then doctor will be in worry, because when we do the first crying, then only our lungs start breathing. So the life start from the wood. So that's why our morning also start from the wood, means from the lungs. So what I want to tell you, morning 3 to 11 a.m. are under controlled by wood and earth element. The meaning of this, so 3 to 11 a.m. in the morning are controlled by this cycle, which is having lungs, large intestine, stomach, and spleen. So this is called morning organ clock cycle. So if some patient having some problem in the morning, then patient is telling you, whenever as soon as I get up in the morning, I feel lots of tiredness. So just you have to treat these 4 organ, these 4 meridian to rectify any problem. If anyone telling you, as soon as I get up in the morning, I feel joint pain. As soon as I get up in the morning, I keep my feet on the ground, I feel heel pain. I feel morning lethargy. I don't feel like go to the office. Means we have to improve the morning cycle. And as per the acupuncture, we have to improve lung, large intestine, stomach, and spleen. So we are having multiple points on these 4 meridian, and we can improve that. Able to understand? Not difficult? No. Wonderful. Great. So now, suppose one patient coming to you and he is telling you, doctor, morning 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. I am getting the attack of asthma, and you are just treating the lungs. So it is an incomplete treatment, because morning cycle is made by lungs, large intestine, stomach, and spleen. So you have to improve the lungs, as well as you have to clean the colon or large intestine, as well as you have to improve the stomach, or you have to improve the spleen. Now, whether you want to do with the yoga therapy or cleansing or Ayurveda or acupuncture, that is your desire. That is your wish. You can do by any method. But until and unless you improve the lung, large intestine, stomach, and spleen, you cannot rectify the disease from the root. So when we are studying the acupuncture, so what we are doing? Suppose this is the body. Suppose this is the body. Because we have multiple points in the arm, in the feet. So on the one side, we are putting the point of lungs. On the other side, we are putting the point of large intestine. On the other one side, we are putting the point of stomach. And on the other side, we are putting point of the like stomach and spleen in this way. So we can balance a complete morning cycle by using these 4 organ or these 4 meridian. In the acupuncture, we are telling them lung meridian, large intestine meridian, stomach meridian, and the spleen meridian. Now, if somebody is having problem in the lungs, you cannot treat the lung until and unless you also treat the spleen. Without treating the spleen, the lung treatment is incomplete. So the morning cycle is the cycle of 3 to 11 a.m. And in this cycle, we are having lung, large intestine, stomach, and spleen. So what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this cycle? The meaning of this, This is the rule of this cosmos. That in the morning time, with the rage of this cosmos, with the rage of this like environment, where these four organs will get the energy, because when we are doing breathing, we can see we are breathing from the nose, but with the breathing processor, our chakras also doing the breathing all the time. That's why we are going at some place, we are feeling, oh, I'm not feeling comfortable here, let's move from here. Why? Because we are not only breathing the air, we are also breathing the energy, but we are breathing the energy with the help of chakras. Chakras also breathing all the time. So the morning is the time our body is recharging the lungs and large intestine and the stomach and the spleen, and this is the natural. So if you are a healthy person, if you have a healthy body, then the organ will get properly charged during this time. Now we can further divide these 8 hours in 4 parts. So we can further divide these 8 hours in 4 equal parts. So 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours and 2 hours. So the 2 hours is going for the lung, then the 2 hours going for the large intestine, then the 2 hours going for the stomach, then the 2 hours going for the spleen. So it means, if we talk about the 3 to 5 a.m., then 5 to 7 a.m., then 7 to 9 a.m., then the 9 to 11 a.m. So morning 3 to 5 a.m. is the time of lung. If someone is having problem of the lung, it is the best time to treat the lung, morning 3 to 5. It is the best time to do the pranayama or breathing exercises. Now, the 5 to 7 is the time of large intestine. This time, there are lots of energy are in the large intestine. If anyone feel constipated, so should definitely get up before this time and go for the defecation and go for the passing stool before the 7 a.m. Otherwise, now energy will move in the another meridian. So this time your large intestine is getting charged. You are having good energy in the large intestine, so can push the stool fully. So this is the time of colon clenching. Then 7 to 9 a.m. is the time of stomach. Very good time to have the breakfast as per acupuncture organ clock time, because lots of energy available in the stomach. So you can digest the food very nicely. And 9 to 11 a.m. is the time of spleen. In the acupuncture, the meaning of spleen or pancreas are coming under one energy. So spleen and pancreas both are controlling our digestion. If we talk about the pancreas, never think the pancreas only controlling the insulin. Pancreas secretes lots of enzyme to digest the food. Pancreas is sending the enzyme to digest for the digestion of carbohydrate, protein and fat. There are lots of enzymes secreted from the pancreas, and insulin also secreted by the pancreas. If your 9 to 11 time is okay, if your organ clock time working very nicely, so in the morning time 9 to 11 it will do the proper recharging of the pancreas, then pancreas will fulfill with the energy and it will not suffer with the problem. Now suppose someone is suffering with the digestive disorder, so it is the best time, do something either in the morning 7 to 9 a.m. because it is the time of the stomach, or do something between 9 to 11 a.m. because it is the time of spleen and the pancreas, and both are connected with the digestion. So this is called morning organ clock cycle. So when some patient coming to us, doctor, can you treat my asthma? I am not only treating the lung, my target is lung, large intestine, stomach and spleen, all the 4 meridian. In the same way, Now we are going back here. So this was the first cycle, the inner cycle made by wood and earth. Now the second cycle is made by fire and metal. So look at here. This is the fire. This is the fire. And this is the metal. The meaning of fire is heart and small intestine. And the meaning of metal is kidney and UV. So the second cycle is made by fire and metal, or we can tell heart, small intestine, and the meaning of metal means kidney and urinary bladder. So we can write in this way: the heart, small intestine, urinary bladder, and kidney. These four organs are making the cycle number 2, and the cycle number 2 are getting recharged in the noon time and in the afternoon time. So the timing of the cycle is morning 11 a.m. to night 7 p.m. So this is called active time. The active time when you can do work actively in your office, when you can digest the food very actively, because this is the time of fire, and fire is helping you to digest the food. The fire is not only helping you to digest the food, but fire is also giving you leadership quality. You can lead the group if you are having good fire. The fire means whenever we will learn the 5 element, then you will understand the fire is the thing which is making you jolly, friendly, social, smiley. You are very friendly to everyone and you are smiling all the time without any reason. So this is the afternoon cycle and start from the 11 to 7 p.m., 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So this is 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. And this cycle is made by heart, small intestine, urinary bladder, and kidney. So we can further divide the cycle in 4 parts: 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, and 2 hours. So the morning 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. is the time of heart. Then 1 to 3 p.m. go to the small intestine. Then 3 to 5 p.m. go to the urinary bladder. And 5 to 7 go to the kidney. One day one patient came to my clinic, told doctor, every day at the 12 o'clock in the afternoon, my BP goes high. My BP goes high. Every day at the 12 afternoon, what to do? And the patient was coming every time in the evening, and I was checking the blood pressure. Every time blood pressure is normal. Then I requested the patient, please come at 12 in the afternoon. The next day patient came at the 12 in the afternoon. I checked the blood pressure. It was really high. So sometimes the body also creating something positive or negative in particular time. You may feel very good at certain time and you may feel very bad at certain time. So the patient came with a blood pressure problem in the morning, in the afternoon time, 12 p.m., which is the timing of heart. So just we can treat the heart, but we want to bring the complete balance. Then we have to treat the heart, small intestine, urinary bladder, and kidney. So if we treat all the 4 organs, then only we will able to balance everything. So we are having multiple bit for the treatment, because in our body there are meridian, everywhere meridian and meridian. So we can divide whole body in 4 parts. This is one arm, this is another arm, this is one leg, and this is another leg. So on the one side we can choose the heart, on the other side we can choose the small intestine, on the one side we can choose the kidney, on the other side we can choose the urinary bladder. This is one option, and we can balance whole body. Because the person suffering with a high blood pressure, in the future the person may suffer with a kidney disorder. So we can balance right now, whatever may happen in the future. Or not only in the future, the diseases are interconnected even now. So we can treat them. So if you want to bring the balance in the kidney, do not forget the heart, do not forget the small intestine. If you want to bring the balance in the urinary bladder, do not forget others. So this is called afternoon organ clock cycle. Many patients I have seen, they are telling every day in the evening, means this time only, 4 p.m. Every day in the evening, they feel low-grade fever. If we check the fever in the thermometer, nothing will be there, but they are feeling lots of weakness, lots of burning in the eyes, hotness in the palm, like hot palm, hot feet, hot chest, hot the cheeks, and hot ear. Every day they feel like this. Only between 3 to 5. Why? Because 3 to 5 times is the urinary bladder, and they might be suffering with some problem in the urinary bladder. So we are having 2 options. Option number 1, we just treat urinary bladder. That is also enough. Or second option, treat complete cycle, heart, small intestine, kidney, and urinary bladder. So this is called afternoon cycle. Now we are moving to the night cycle. Now we are moving to the night cycle. Let's go back to this. So the cycle number 3, which is made by fire plus and the water. In the upper part, we can see brain and spinal cord, and in the lower part, we can see liver and gallbladder. So this is the third number cycle or final cycle. So the third number cycle is made by brain, spinal cord, liver, and gallbladder. And this is called night cycle between 7 p.m. to morning 3 a.m. Now one patient coming to you, doctor, I can't sleep in the night. Whole night I am turning here and there. That's it. Just you have to treat brain, spinal cord, liver, and gallbladder. Now you will ask me, how will I treat the spinal cord? In our body, we are having one meridian. The name of that meridian is spinal cord meridian. One patient is coming to you in the night time. I feel suffocation. I feel some problem. In the night time, I feel back pain. Whatever happened in the night time, whatever problem happened in the night time, you have to treat these 4 meridian, means brain, spinal cord, gallbladder, and liver. So brain, spinal cord, gallbladder, and liver. These are the organ of the night. And all the 4 organs are getting charged in the night with the help of cosmic rays. But there is one condition. These organs are getting charged because the night cycle starts by 7 p.m. The night cycle starts by 7 p.m. and till the 3 a.m. in the morning. And I told you the brain and spinal cord is the fire plus. This is the time of fire. So we are taking the dinner near about 7 or 8. That is the time of brain as per the organ clock cycle. If we divide the night cycle in 4 parts. So the first part is brain. Second part is spinal cord. Third part is gallbladder, and the fourth part is liver. So this is the time 7 to 9 p.m. Then the spinal cord is 9 to 11 p.m. Then the gallbladder 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. in the night, and the liver 1 to 3 a.m. in the night. So this is called night cycle. Now, as per because these are the fire time, so we should take the dinner, then do the prayer and go for sleep, because this is also the fire time. But this fire is not for the digesting the food. This fire not for the purpose. So you are taking the dinner after the 9. No. If you are taking the dinner after the 9, then you will use this fire for the digestion of the food. But this fire is not for that purpose. This fire is for burning all the toxins from the body. So this is a natural phenomena. This is the natural process of the body. If you are taking the dinner before the 9 p.m. and you are going for the sleep before the 9 p.m., then this fire will do the lots of metabolic procedure in the body between the 9 to 11 p.m. But the many person who are not sleeping before 9, so they might feel hunger again, because this is the time of fire. But as per the acupuncture, the 9 to 11, 11 to 1, and 1 to 3 means spinal cord time, and the gallbladder time, and the liver time. These organs will get properly recharged only if you are sleeping. If you are not sleeping this time, then these organs will not get recharged from the cosmic rays. So the person who is not sleeping till the 1 or 3 a.m. in the night, you will see slowly they will suffer with the liver disorder. Now, when I talk about the liver, you might be thinking about the liver organ, and definitely everyone will think about the liver organ which is installed in the right side of the human body. But as per the acupuncture, the meaning of liver is very vast. I will give you just one example. I will not go into detail right now. As per the acupuncture, liver is the residence of etheric soul. Liver is the residence of etheric soul. Now you can understand. If the soul is living in the liver, then what will happen if your liver is impaired? If liver is not proper, then your soul will also get disturbed, and the person will tell you, I am having everything in my life, but even after that, I am not feeling good in my life without any reason. So this is the time of liver, and if you want to make a liver very happy and healthy, so sleep before this time, and this is also the ideal time for treating the liver, but practically it's not possible. If someone is suffering with a liver disorder, we cannot call the patient in the night time for the treatment purpose. So if someone is suffering with a liver disorder, we will not only treat the liver, but we are going to treat the gallbladder, we are going to treat the brain and spinal cord, then only we will able to treat the liver. I always tell to my all the colleagues, if you want to treat the brain, suppose someone is having memory problem, someone is having some brain disorders like Parkinsonism, like mental retardation, forget the liver, you just forget the brain. If someone is suffering with a brain disorder, you forget the brain, you just treat the liver, you do the treatment of the liver. If you are doing the treatment of the liver, slowly and slowly you will see the person is getting very good something in the brain, because brain is directly connected with the liver. So this is the night cycle. So now let's combine all the cycle. So we have morning cycle, so lung, large intestine, stomach, and spleen. This is the morning cycle, which is the 3 to 11 a.m. Then after that, heart, small intestine, urinary bladder, and kidney. This is the afternoon cycle, which is 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. So when the first cycle completing on the spleen, then it is continue in the form of second cycle from the heart. And when the second cycle getting complete on the kidney, it is continue in the form of third cycle, which is the brain, spinal cord, gallbladder, and the liver. So this is the night cycle, which start by the 7 p.m. to the 3 a.m. in the night. So in this way, now if I ask you, tell me the full organ clock cycle, you will tell number 1 lungs, number 2 large intestine, then stomach, then spleen, then heart, then small intestine, urinary bladder, kidney, brain, spinal cord, gallbladder, and liver. So these are called a complete organ clock cycle. Even we are drawing this cycle in this form, in the form of organ clock, like this. So this is the organ clock. So we can start by lungs, large intestine, stomach, spleen, heart, small intestine, urinary bladder, kidney, brain, spinal cord, gallbladder, and liver. So this is the acupuncture organ clock cycle. So in the acupuncture, the timing of lung starts from the 3 a.m. Then every organ having 2 hours and 2 hours and 2 hours. So in this way, this is the complete cycle. So if anyone telling you, can you treat my problem? You can ask, okay, tell me what time you are suffering with this problem. Just do the treatment of that organ. So the morning cycle is made by lung, large intestine, stomach, and spleen. In this way, the 4 and 4 meridian are making the morning cycle, afternoon cycle, and the night cycle. So it becomes a complete organ clock cycle of 24 hours. Now, if I ask you, tell me what is the best time where liver is getting recharged from the range of from the cosmic range, then you can tell me in the night time. 1 to 3 a.m. is the time of liver. So we should be in very deeper sleep during this time if we want to make the liver healthy. So now, if we see the body, so we can see the body from the 3 aspects. This is the front part of the body. This is the back part of the body. And this is the side of the body. This is the side of the body. We are looking the body from the side. So this is the front side of the body. This is the back side of the body. And this is the lateral side of the body. Lateral, or we can tell medial, means any side. Means side of the body. Now, the front of the body is under control by morning cycle. So front of the body are getting recharged during the morning time. So if you talk about your any problem in the front, like you're telling, I am suffering with a stuffed nose, we have to treat the morning cycle. So we have to treat the lung, large intestine, stomach and spleen. If you want to do the treatment in the front side of the body, you are telling, I'm suffering with the gas, acidity and indigestion. You're telling I am having knee pain in the front side. Then we will treat the front cycle, morning cycle. You're telling I am suffering with a throat pain in the front side, we will treat the morning cycle. You're telling that you're suffering with a headache in the front side, we will treat the morning cycle. So whatever problem happened in the morning, in the front side of the body, now forget the time. Whatever problem happened in the front side of the body, now whether this problem happening in the morning time, afternoon time, or in the night time, if someone is telling you, I'm having knee pain in the front side anytime, then it is under control by lungs, large intestine, stomach and spleen. So now it becomes very easy. We can treat, because ultimately patient is coming to us and asking, can you treat my knee pain? We will ask, okay, tell me front or back side. The patient is telling front side. Okay, lungs, large intestine, stomach and spleen. Now in the same way, the backside problem are under control by noon cycle, noon and afternoon. So heart, small intestine, urinary bladder and kidney. So one patient coming to you, can you treat my neck pain? I'm suffering with a cervical spondylosis, or back pain, lumbar spondylosis, or knee pain in the backside, or headache on the backside, or any problem happening anywhere in the backside. Okay, definitely we can treat you, because we know heart, small intestine, urinary bladder and kidney are able to treat any problem happening on the backside. In the same way, neither you are suffering with a problem on the front side nor on the back side. But this problem in the lateral side or medial side. So this is under control by night cycle. Night cycle. So lateral side means somebody is telling you, can you treat my headache, migraine headache? Okay, we are asking, okay, tell me, it is in the front side. No. It is on the back side. No, it is on the side, lateral side. Migraine headache. So the lateral side migraine headache will be treated by brain, spinal cord, gallbladder and liver. So liver and gallbladder will treat, brain and spinal cord will treat your lateral side problem. Somebody is telling you, I'm suffering with a sciatica pain on the side. Somebody is telling you, I'm suffering with a knee pain, not in the front side, not in the back side, but in the lateral or medial side, outer or inner side. So we'll go on the side meridian, because we can divide the whole body either in the front side or in the back side, on the between the front and back. So lateral and medial side problem can be rectified by the brain and the spinal cord and gallbladder and the liver. In this way, we are having wonderful technique to treat any disease. Got it? Now, shall we go ahead, or enough? Are you understanding? Is it you are able to digest it?
Yes.
All of
Sir,
you?
you are peeling banana peel and keeping banana in the mouth.
Shall we go a little more? Only 5 to 6, or time is over. Time is over. Okay, no problem. We'll go see tomorrow now. So now I want to come on the treatment part. So before coming on the treatment part, let's make little foundation. Why? Now I will treat. You will tell me, doctor, treat my headache. Then I will take lungs, large intestine, stomach, and spleen. Then I will able to explain you why I'm taking this. Okay. You will tell me, can you treat my lower back pain? Okay, heart, small intestine, UV, and kidney. Now I am able to explain you why I'm taking these. So for that, we are making the foundation. Okay. Now we'll just jump on the treatment part. Just we will pick 4-4 meridian and we'll do the treatment. Patient will come you and we will do the global balance. This is called global balance. Patient is telling you, can you treat my heart? Yes, yes, we will treat your heart, but we will charge for the heart and 3 organ will treat free. Small intestine, urinary bladder and kidney. We are treating free because we know these organs also connected with the heart. And until and unless we treat them, we will not rectify problem from the root. So thank you so much. Enough for today. So now we'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Sir, can I ask you one question, Dr. Hemant?
Yes, sure. Yes, yes, please.
Sir, are you making it so simple, or this Chinese traditional acupuncture concept itself is like this?
Yeah, it is very simple. It is already simple. But see the thing, it is really simple. I'm not making it simple. It is really simple.
Because I attended 2 times, I ran away from the class in between.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Because my
Fundamentals.
intention you should not run away. So that's why I'm trying to make it little simple.
Excellent, sir.
Yeah.
So,
Sir, one more question. Can we treat the skin diseases also with
Yes. Now,
acupuncture?
we will learn the 5 element. That time you will know the skin is coming under the lungs.
Oh,
So we will treat lungs, large intestine, stomach and spleen, and we'll treat the lungs, we'll treat the skin disease completely. So we will learn the 5 element and we will find out everything.
oh, thank you, sir.
Yes.
amazing, sir. Actually, my interest has increased 10 times. Sir, are you doing Ayurveda treatments or focusing on only acupressure?
No, actually I have my clinic of I also having my Panchakarma clinic here in Vadodara. So myself and my wife both are doing, because I have my class in the evening. So she's taking care clinic in the evening. So
Okay. Sir.
we are doing both things.
Very good. Sir, one thing about when you are saying energize particular timing 2 hours each organ, what does it mean, sir, exactly?
The meaning of this, see, many patients are coming to us telling, doctor, I am suffering with the attack of asthma in the morning time. So my question is this, why they are not suffering with the asthma attack in the evening time, with the afternoon time? So many patients are suffering with the morning time, and many patients are telling you, I feel feverish only in the evening time. So the thing is this, suppose if you are feeling the weakness in the evening time, 3 to 5 p.m., that is the time of urinary bladder. If your urinary bladder is too much weaker, too much poor, and because of the poor urinary bladder is not able to recharge him. In that condition, you might feel something uneasy. So we have only one point. We will just put the one point and will allow the urinary bladder to recharge completely. So our body has been designed in this way. Every 2 hours, one organ is taking recharge. So right now 5 p.m. Now this is the time of kidney. The kidney time starts now in this way.
Last question, sir.
Yeah.
So this particular 2 hours of each organ, so some things have to be done, some things have not to be done. Is it like that, sir?
Yeah, definitely. Like I will give you the liver example. If the person is not sleeping during the liver time, if the person is not sleeping during the gallbladder time, it's really very bad. So like this is the time of kidney, like 5 p.m. is the time of kidney. Kidney is having cold energy. So this time we should have some warm drink, some drink which is warm, or some drink like a coconut water, because with the help of this we can purify the kidney, we can enhance the kidney functions. But instead of that, we are taking something which is bad for kidney. That thing may harm the kidney in that way.
So some organs need rest, some organs we need to feed something like that,
Yes,
sir?
yes, perfect. That only.
One more doubt, Hemant sir.
Yes, please.
In it means when some part is getting recharged, other parts are inactive in the sense.
No, all the part are getting recharged all the time, but some part, but some part, because it is not possible that some part will go on the rest. Each and every part is getting recharged all the time. But the part who is having turn, they are getting tremendous energy during that time. They are getting tremendous energy. But we cannot imagine that lungs is not getting recharged, because each and every time our each and every organ and meridian are breathing and taking the energy and expelling the energy. But during the time of lungs having more chances, lungs having more chances to get the energy from the cosmos. If we put only one point, I will discuss shortly. We are having one point that is called horary point, horary, just with the one point. Horary point means, now you can ask me how the meridian is recharging, how the meridian is taking the energy. So there is a one antenna on every meridian, antenna, or you can consider like a satellite. So that antenna or satellite means one acupuncture point. One acupuncture point or one acupressure point found in each and every meridian. And with the help of this point, the taking the energy from the cosmos, if we hit that acupuncture point just by the finger, just by the pressure, then the organ again will start recharging. So that point is called horary point. We will discuss that.
Very interesting, sir.
One
Thank you
more
so much, sir.
question.
One
Yes, please.
Sir.
Yeah, please ask.
When we take this solar plexus, when we talk about solar plexus point, it comes just above the navel point or any particular place.
It is below the sternum bone. Wherever this chest bone is ending, just below the sternum bone, that is the solar plexus.
Okay.
So below the solar, then the first chakra, that is navel, which is our earth element.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, when it comes to recharging of each organ, does this process happen in our body every day in the same way, or does it change based on our
This is the
wake up?
This is the
Based on our
cosmic.
wake up time, based on our food habits, does it change, or is it necessary to be same every day? How is it, sir?
Yeah. So this is the cosmic rule. This is the cosmic rule because every day sun will rise on the same time. Okay. Or if there is a changes in the time, but it is pre-planned. Okay. So our body is connected with the sun, with the moon, with the planet. So our body is responding in that manner. Okay. So we are not getting recharged because we are getting up in the 8 a.m. or we are 7 a.m. Our body is planned because of these lots of planet and all the things in the solar, like this everything all around here. But if we are not following the rules, like suppose we are not getting up on the time, we are sleeping at late night, then we are disturbing our this organ clock cycle, then we are definitely going to suffer with the imbalances and the diseases. So if we want to make us healthy, then definitely we should follow the rules.
Like how animals and birds automatically
Yes,
follow the rules. These all-
definitely. This is the right example. Yeah.
so
Sir, like you
yeah.
said, any tips for the day? Every day you said you'll give small tips. What are the tips for today?
Okay, I will give you. There are lots of pregnant lady. There are lots of pregnant lady, and in the bomb of pregnant lady, there is one tiger. Okay, so sometimes the tiger also get disturbed. So we are having one point. We are having one point, very wonderful point in our feet. I will tell you the location of that point. If we put the black color on that point, then the negative atmosphere for the mother bomb will go away and the mother will feel very excellent, because mother having two heart, one heart on heart and one heart of the feet, heart of the baby who is in the mother womb. So the emotions of mother are the result of two hearts. Okay, now if someone giving you chocolate, ice cream, and you become happy, in the same way, we put the black color on 1 point. So the negative atmosphere from the mother womb go away and the fetus become happy. Then the mother also become the happy. So the name of that point is called beautiful baby point. I will show you the image.
Both feet or just one foot is enough? So,
Yes, please. What?
so we should keep the black spot on both feet or one?
Yeah, both feet, both feet. So look at this point. 1 minute. So look at this image. We can see this is the medial malleolus. This is the medial malleolus. Now, this is the midpoint of the medial malleolus. From here, it goes 7 finger up, 7 finger up. So we can measure. Like these are the 4 fingers. Then again, these are the 3 fingers. It goes 7 finger up from here. Then we are reaching on the border of bone, and this is called beautiful baby point. Beautiful baby point. Let's see this point in the other image for clear understanding. Look at this image. So this is the medial malleolus. And this is the midpoint of medial malleolus. If from the medial malleolus, if I am going 7 fingers up, then I will find the 1 point here. And I will put just a black color here in the both leg. So the baby will become very happy. This is called beautiful baby point. Now, what will happen if we put this point for the normal person, either male or female? What will happen? So the answer is this. Like suppose if in the summertime air condition is not working, then how will you feel? Tell me, how will you feel in the summertime if your air condition is not working? If your cooler is not working, even your fan is not working, okay, and you are living in the very hot city, how will you feel? Definitely very discomfort. And as soon as the electricity come and you switch on the AC, switch on the cooler, how you feel? You feel relax. In the same way, the kidney 9 point is the air condition point of our human body. So either you put for the male or you put for the female, it will switch on the air condition, and it will cool the brain, cool the heart, cool your body, cool your system. So when the person not sleeping in the night because of excessive work load, sometimes it happen. So what is happening? The mind become hot and warm, because when we are sleeping, we get coolness in the mind, coolness in the heart. So with the help of this kidney 9 point, we can cool our body, cool our heart, cool our brain, cool our system. So this is called, for the baby, for the mother, it is called beautiful baby point. But we can put this point for any male and any female who is having more heat. And this is the very excellent point for the female who is suffering with the hot flushes during the menopause time. We have seen many females during the hormone changes, they feel the hot air is coming up and down, and they feel hotness, hot eyes, hot cheeks, hot palm,
Yes.
hot feet. You just
True,
put
sir.
the black color here. It will cool down the system, and the lady will feel very good. And you can tell the lady, put the black color here. Even you can put the black kajal here every day, and you will see the very good results. So the person is feeling thirst in the night, dry throat in the night. That is also because of the heat. So it will also cool down this. So this is called beautiful baby point. Got it? Now one last point of today, one last tip of today. So look at this point. The name of this point is kidney 1. It is coming in a minute. So the name of this point is kidney 1, and it's very easy to find out. How can we find out? We can feel the natural depression in our feet here. We can feel the natural depression here in the feet. So that is the location of kidney 1. Kidney 1. Now, the kidney 1 point is useful for any emergency. Any emergency. What is emergency? Suppose today suddenly in the night someone is calling you, doctor, someone is telling you, can you help me? My abdomen is paining because of appendicitis. Okay, you immediately search in the Google acupuncture point kidney 1 and you send the image and you tell the person praise this point, and you will see in the 5-minute person will tell now pain is gone. Someone is telling you suddenly BP is too high, what to do? You tell this point, this is the kidney 1, and the person will praise here. Even this point is very wonderful for the patient who is unconscious. So this is called emergency point. Emergency point. So the kidney 1 is the emergency point. Kidney, when we are pressing the kidney 1, this point is supplying water to the muscle. Suppose you are doing some exercises or your muscle is getting stiff. Now you want to supply little water, so muscle will get little loose. You can press this point. You will press the kidney 1 and it will send some amount of water to the muscle. So the person having cramps in the muscles, cramps in the calf, or whether it is because of the exercises, whether it is because of the gym. So you will see the muscle will get relaxed because kidney 1 is the emergency point as well as it is supplying water to the muscle. So remember 2 points during the emergency. One is we have learned yesterday, that is DU26 or governing vessel 26. And second point is kidney 1. During any emergency, just you praise these 2 points and you will see the results. Done. So I think enough for today.
So can we use this for kids?
Definitely, you can put just black color for kids.
Okay, sir.
You can just put the black. You see, in the ancient time, mother used to put the black color here for the kids. And I will tell you, if someone is crying because of the gas and bloating in the stomach, you will see the very good result. Just put the black color here. This kidney 1 is very good point for the gas, acidity and indigestion and bloating.
Sure, sir.
Sir,
Sir,
can
and
we,
yesterday you said about some cigar we put here and do the experiment.
Oh, I will do tomorrow because,
sure, sir.
Because I have to prepare for that. Yeah, definitely.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you,
This
doctor.
we need to press for 5 minutes, right?
5 minutes too much. You can even press for 1 minute.
1 minute. Okay.
Yeah, but if you have time, you can press gently for 5 minutes. Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Thank you, doctor. Om Namah
Okay.
Shivaya.
thank you, sir.
Namaste.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
So
sir.
now, yeah. So
Sir.
see you tomorrow. Yeah.
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, stay back, stay back, stay back, stay back. I want to ask you, Achavidya, can you please take people who are videos off, put them into waiting room?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we have power.
Whoever is switching on video now, put them into waiting room.
Yes, sir. Doing it.
Whoever attended, now I have one interesting question. Whoever is like Savita, Pankuri, Savitri, Selva, only 4 or 5 people.
Yes, sir.
Prarthana, Lakshmi, Adilakshmi, etc. 1 minute. Black marker. Is there? Check there. No, it's there. It's there. Okay.